Consumerism, digitization, and demand for effective engagement with customers, distribution channels, and business partners create enormous pressure to innovate and shorten time to market, while also driving operational efficiency and reducing costs. Outdated policy administration systems can impede an insurer's ability to respond with agility to the volatile market. You may not be able to control many forces that will shape your requirements and user preferences over the years to come, but you can control how well your technology platforms position you to meet evolving needs and expectations. Core systems modernization may be what your business needs to consider.
Core system modernization is a strategic program to federate core business logic and data to promote flexibility, agility, and speed to market, and support innovation and enterprise growth. Modernization addresses business needs through business and technology improvements and operational alignment. With the advancement of cloud-native solutions, core modernization is no longer restricted to replacing the existing legacy systems. Insurance companies can leverage less risky modernization approaches like Strangler pattern to migrate business logics and data to modern architecture, adopt SaaS solution, or apply domain-driven design to reimagine digital services. These options allow insurance companies to gradually enhance services, shorten payment on investment, and avoid running into a core replacement that will drain IT and operations resources. Implementing core modernization can increase operational efficiency through service digitization. Second, it can reduce technical debt and thus the risk and resources to maintain legacy systems. Insurance companies can also gain flexibility via cloud infrastructure and reusable services that accelerate technology delivery. More importantly, enable personalization, innovation, and ecosystem integration that contribute to customer acquisition and retention. In recent years, we are observing an increasing demand for insurance core modernization. After years of digital transformation, insurance has created a huge number of apps and integrations, which services legacy constraints, for example, data consistency, stability and performance, speed to delivery, etc., that was traditional workaround by operational staff. To address these problems, Deloitte has been helping our clients to review their legacy spending, conduct architecture review, define digital insurer capabilities, and produce roadmaps, execute modernization programs, running SaaS solution selection, setting a modernization framework and technical guidelines, and executing migration, etc.
The vision of core systems modernization is to transform a tightly coupled code base and hardware into modularized cloud applications where traditional layers are converted into components that can be consumed only as needed. 4 specific strategies have emerged. We call them the 4 Rs, which can be combined to craft an approach tailored to your specific requirements. The first R is replatform. The object of replatforming is to move off existing mainframe or legacy technology by custom developing a future state solution. It requires redefining business processes and core technology components to eliminate unnecessary dependencies that hinder agility and flexibility. The second R is remediate. Remediation involves the repair of existing mainframe or legacy technology. The processes, data, interfaces, and business logic are encapsulated into reusable, extendable application components and services. Security and compliance risks are addressed, and data is cleansed to address quality issues. Revitalize is the third R. Revitalizing means rebuilding the transactional layer with digital extensions and user-centric process redesign. Visualization and discovery tools are leveraged to improve reporting and analytics on top of underlying systems and develop new ideas, products, and offerings using the core foundation. The last R is replace. A replacement strategy involves selecting best-of-breed, end-tier, or platform as a service solution packages and migrating functional areas to these best-of-breed solutions. Core system modernization usually leverages a combination of these 4 approaches. Ultimately, the vision is to change a system where many aspects of the code base and the hardware are tightly coupled to a system comprising a set of cloud applications where logic and data are abstracted to a resource that can be consumed only when it is needed. This vision is no longer a hypothetical. It's an achievable reality.
Core system modernization often goes beyond technology enablement. Regardless of the modernization approach, to enable the success of the modernization, we need to enable our people. Reimagine the way they work together to drive core system modernization, helping them build up the capabilities and skills required in the future work, and managing the potential change resistance. To accelerate the core system modernization, we are seeing more collaboration and integration across business, IT, and external ecosystem partners. In leading companies, multiple functions are often joined up to drive core system modernization solutions. Using an agile approach, they work together in small Scrum teams to co-create, iterate, and scale solutions that can truly meet their business needs and address their operational pain points. In addition, the skill sets and capabilities required will need to be expanded and uplifted as a result of modernization. For example, the ability to collaborate and work in a cross-team, agile, and virtual work environment. Pre- and post-core system implementation will be crucial. Using design thinking skills to drive user-centric solutions will also be essential, alongside the additional technical skills required to address the increasing complexity of system solutions, such as cloud infrastructure, advanced analytics, and user-centric process. From a change adoption perspective, clear messaging on the benefits of the core system modernization would help us manage potential change resistance. The what's in it for me will need to be crystal clear for all the stakeholders to get them on board with the changes. Here, we can also leverage dedicated change champions across the organization to promote the change and raise the digital mindset and adoption on the ground.
Thank you very much, Candy, Mark, and Sammy for your sharing. Core systems modernization provides an opportunity to redesign technology and business logic to align with enterprise strategy and establish a digital foundation that can help you adapt to changes, foreseen and unforeseen, that lies ahead.